So I put up a poll on Instagram a few days ago asking you guys if I should delete the taillight tint or keep it. It came out to be a 50-50. A lot of you guys were saying keep it because that shit is fire and very mean looking. Thank you to all of you. And then a lot of you were saying take that shit off because it's only something Hondas do. Regardless of whatever the poll came out to be, I already knew it's time for a new look. I have had these taillights smoked out for over a year, guys, and believe me, I absolutely love this look because it's very, very aggressive, and to me, it's my style. But the time has come where it is time to remove it and try something new. So today, we're just gonna be removing the tint, and then another day, we are going to be finishing it. We are not going to be keeping it stock. I have a few things planned. I'm not sure if we'll have that in this video or not, or maybe another video, but regardless, it's time for a new look. So what I have is actually some O'Reilly's Carb and Choke Cleaner. I got 2 of those just in case, and I already went ahead and started doing it, and we got some of it off. So it's not gonna be that hard. So we're actually gonna be keeping the taillights on, and we're just gonna spray it on a rag and just start to wipe it off. So I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna put you on a quick time lapse. Say goodbye to the tint. Alright guys, so after about maybe 5 minutes, this is what I got. So it is completely taken off and it looks good. It just needs another quick wipe down and maybe a buffing even if I were to keep it like this. The one thing that I do notice is this right here. If you guys look closely, let me try to focus. You see those little splinters? It almost like very, very fine cracks almost. So you could probably get that out by wet sanding and buffing it, but other than that, it came off pretty quickly. I do not suggest spraying it on, letting it soak. If you are gonna do that, wipe it off immediately, because as you guys saw, if you noticed in the time lapse, I went ahead and just sprayed it, and then I tried to keep it for a second and then wipe it, and it became instantly sticky. So I suggest just taking your time and just putting some elbow grease, and it looks good. Man, it's so sad. Oh, it hurts me to not see it tinted anymore. But all right, we're gonna go ahead and finish this one up, and then I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison as to how it looks. So let me set you guys up real quick, and we're gonna get this one knocked out. Okay guys, so before I show you real quick, I want to say if you guys are going to be doing this, maybe remove your taillights off the car or mask off your actual car, because the residue, when it gets onto your actual car, it's very, very hard to get off. I got it off the car, but there's a part on the bumper where the only way to get it off is I'm going to have to wet sand and rebuff it out, because it's just baked on. It will not, no matter what, come off. So I very highly suggest masking off the area if you don't want to damage anything. But let me just say right now, guys, it actually looks so good. Wow. And I gotta fully clean it too, but man, does it look different. Let me show you guys. Okay, so here we have, sorry, I'm trying to steady the camera. All right, so there's the old smoked out look. All right. You guys ready for this? And there's the new look. Wow. Look how dirty the car is, guys. I have had no time to wash this thing. I've been super busy with work, but that's a good thing, guys, because big things coming, because I actually have a lot of good money now. So anyways, off topic, look at that. Look how different it looks. Look at that side by side right there. Comment down below which one do you guys like better, the smoked out look or the all natural OEM look. This makes the car look a lot lighter, I think. This makes the car look a little bit darker. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up that side now, and I'll show you guys when we're done. Alright guys, so there is the new look of the taillights. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Damn. In my opinion, it looks so different. Like, I'm not used to seeing it. There we go, now that the lights turned off. I am not used to seeing it like this at all. I'm so used to seeing, you know, the whole rear end blacked out. But, I mean, it doesn't look bad. It looks more JDM. It's like red and orange because of this thing right here. But damn, it's so dirty. Here's an example though, guys. This does not come off the bumper no matter what I do. I have some right here as well, if you can see. But you just take your nail, it'll come off there. So we'll get all that later. This is also on the other side. We're gonna have to wet sand them and then rebuff them out. That's the only way I'm gonna be able to get that out. But it looks so different. I like it, but then at the same time, I honestly don't know if I like it. But it's not staying like this though, guys. This is just for now because that was the hardest part. The next step is to do the new look. You guys will have to see that in a further video actually, because I'm not gonna do it today. It's already 4:15 right now, so I'm not gonna be doing that. That's going to be taking place probably on a weekend or something, my guess. But it's not going to stay like this, let me tell you that much. So if you guys can guess down below what it is you think that I'm going to do, see if you guys can guess. But to be honest, I don't even know what I'm doing. I have an idea, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I have a few ideas actually, but damn, it looks so different. This car needs a wash, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The whole car is like that too. This car is like neglected. Look at that. But it's okay because big things are coming, guys. Big things are coming. Work is taking up so much of my time since Monday through Friday. You know, I'm actually working full time now. So, but the good thing is I'm making money, guys, like I keep saying, which is a huge thing for this build and my channel because, well, if you guys haven't seen my last video, make sure you go check that out. I talk about what's to come. But one of the main thing is the wheels, guys. I am getting new wheels. We are going 18s. I'm not gonna say much more than that. And then as soon as those are on and everything, we're just gonna start on this rear end because not only are the taillights being redone, but the bumper's being redone as well. Wonder what it can be. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys can guess. I am also thinking about retiring this bumper. Either one, I'm going to rebuild the bumper, or I'm going to retire this bumper and I'm going to get a different bumper. But comment down below if you guys can guess what it is you think I might be doing. Pretty sure none of you guys will be able to guess though. But anyways, guys, I think that's going to be the end of this video. I know it was fairly short, but I wanted to record showing that in case any of you guys have VHT tint as well and you're curious as to how to get it off. Well, you just saw it. The only thing I would suggest afterwards, if you want to make it look really nice, is just wet sand and buff the taillights out again, and they'll look good as new. I mean, they already look brand new again, but that's what I would do. That's what I'm probably gonna do before I start the new look. But anyways, guys, stay tuned because I plan on bringing you guys to work tomorrow, which is Friday, not to record me working and whatnot, but I'm gonna introduce you guys to another build that is potentially gonna be on this channel in the future. He's a homie that I met at work and he has a pretty sick car. Comment down below if you guys can guess what kind of car it is. But him and I have been talking. I wanna introduce his car to the channel and then him another time because I'm going to be off work when he comes in working, and that's when I'm going to show you his car. But I'm going to be bringing him around very soon, so you guys will be meeting him soon as well. And I'm going to start recording his car build as well, because it's pretty stock right now. All he has is an exhaust, and then he has a few other mods that he's going to be doing in the near future, and I plan on recording it. So comment down below if you guys can guess what kind of car it is, but make sure to stay tuned. Subscribe if you guys aren't ready. You guys are going to be seeing that car. You guys are going to be seeing this car take off. We have such big things coming. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next one, and until then, peace out.